Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Lindsay, and I am back today with 3 more headband wig reviews. Now, I received these headband wigs from a company that I recently worked with. I can't pronounce the name, but it is on Amazon, so make sure you guys check the description box below for the links to these wigs. But the one that I did, I will link it down below in the description box as well as in the cards. That one was like a 99J, so it was like an ombre burgundy one that I did. So they sent me 3 more. They sent me a 1B, they sent me a 1B30, and they sent me I think it's the T27 one. So I have all 3 wigs here. This is the kinky, I think this is the kinky curly one. So yeah, I'm doing this video a little bit differently. I did show you guys the construction of each wig, even though it's pretty much the same, but I went ahead and did that, and I did put on all 3 wigs with the headband, so you guys will definitely see that. But if you are interested in hearing a little bit more about these headband wigs, then keep watching. guys saw from the previous clips, all 3 wigs have 4 combs, okay? So they have 2 right here, 1 in the center and 1 in the back, and that's it. And of course the black strap where you could put a headband on top, but you don't have to. So I think the name is Yxcherishair. Not too sure. I said that in the first video that I wasn't too sure how to pronounce it, but I think that's what it is. So this is their kinky curly synthetic headband wigs. They are all 12 inches. Again, I have black, which retails for $23.98. I have the 1B/30, which also retails for $23.98. Then I have the 33/27 that retails for $16.78. So I have all 4 colors now. So again, 1B, 1B/30, 1B/burgundy, and 33/27. Again, the hair length is 12 inches. The texture is kinky curly. Not sure what the density is. And the cap size is a medium size 22.5. So I showed you how each wig looked, of course. So you guys let me know down in the comments what you think about this synthetic headband wig. All right, so I forgot to mention that the hair on all 3 wigs were pretty soft. Again, they are synthetic, but they were pretty soft. As you guys also saw, the hair was very bouncy, so that's nice. Now, out of all 3, I already have one in the color 33/27 from another brand, but out of the 3, I didn't really have a 1B30, and I didn't have a black one by itself, I don't think. So I'm not too sure which one was actually my favorite. I like them all. They're all cute, but I'm not sure which color was actually my favorite. But y'all let me know down in the comments which one y'all liked, or if y'all liked all 3, which one you didn't like, all of that good stuff. But I do want to thank the company for sending me these 3 colors. So I have all colors by them, but I do appreciate them for sending me these headband wigs for reviewing purposes. So make sure you guys give this video a thumbs up. Don't forget to comment down below, of course, and don't forget to share this video with your family and friends. If you're a new subscriber, welcome, and if you haven't subscribed yet, go ahead and click on that subscribe button, as well as the post notification bell so you will not miss a new upload from yours truly. I hope you guys enjoy the video, and I will see you in my next one.